Hey everyone, Matt King with the Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Blue Springs, Missouri. We are doing actually work on both units of this duplex. This one in particular is where we're focusing on first. Two King Pier 2s are going to be installed under the footing around the front stoop here. You can see there's a lot of separation going on right here, and hopefully you can see in this video the door is off as well. So we are at the footing on both holes. We're just going to wrap up the tunneling underneath the footing to make sure our King Pier holes are complete. And then once all the excavation is done, we'll put our load-bearing steel plate directly underneath that footing, our King Pier on top of the load-bearing plate, two 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks on both sides of the King Pier, and then we will start gently raising those bottle jacks, which will start pushing the top of our pier against the underside of the footing. And we'll just slowly keep raising those bottle jacks, which will in turn raise the pier against the footing until the footing is back to its correct level elevation. Once that's done, there will be a gap between the load-bearing plate and the bottom of the pier. We will use smaller steel shims to fill in that gap and lock the pier into place so we can safely unlock and pull out the bottle jacks. And then the final step will be to encase the King Pier under the footing in high-strength concrete. That concrete's going to be vibrated, so we fully encapsulate that pier under the footing, which will ensure the footing is not going to move in the future. And once all that concrete is fully dried, we will simply backfill the dirt back to ground level, get everything looking as nice and neat as we possibly can, and that should be it. So again, we're doing work on both units. This one is getting two. The other unit is going to just have one pier around the front stoop. So this one we're going to get knocked out first, then we're just going to move everything over to the other side. So stay tuned for more updates. You can check those out on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.